Good morning. Good Saturday morning. We got some sunshine. How about that? I don't need my coat. It's well in the 50s right now. It's going to get close to 70 today. And this is the first time that I'm able to open the door to my shop and actually start doing something without having to have the propane heater on. Of course, I have the little electric heater on very early this morning, but I'll be shutting that off. Now, you'll notice that I got a laptop on the bench over here, and it's a real pain in the neck to use the Microscope camera. Now, one of my viewers, John, I can't remember his last name, but he comments quite a bit and makes very long posts. And to tell you the honest truth, I skim through the very long ones. I've said this before. I have to, I'm a slow reader, and it takes me a long time, so if it's posted too long, I just skim through it. So no offense, but that's just the way I am. I don't spend a lot of time reading. He had mentioned I should get a Microscope camera. Well, you got to look back on my videos. Maybe he's a new viewer and did not see my videos that I made last year. As you can see on the bench right there to the left of the computer, there's my Microscope camera that I got off of eBay. I believe it was last year. It might even been the year before, but I have videos on it. You want to just look back. So let's go in here and let me show you what I have been doing. This is my Windows 7 computer I bought I believe it was last summer at a yard sale. I paid like $20 for it. It works excellent. And I just got through using the Microscope camera on this board, and I did get the board out. It wasn't too bad. I had to pry it a little bit, but I didn't break it, so that was good. I got a video, you'll be seeing it on this here clip, done on this camera, and I'm going to tell you, John and anyone else, as to why I don't like using digital inspection cameras. There's a wicked delay. When you move this board here, the response on here is very, there's a long delay. I need instant response, and the only way you're going to get instant response is an analog camera. You're not going to get that with digital. So it works okay as long as I'm not trying to work here, because I get let's say I was doing some work on this here with my soldering iron or something. When I put the soldering iron to solder here, let's say now, and I'm looking here, nothing's showing up, just the board. Then all of a sudden my soldering iron and my solder appears. I can't work with a delay like that. It is impossible. So that is why I want an analog composite video input monitor. That is the reason. Not only that, but the computer takes up a huge footprint. A computer monitor can be put up, if it's small enough, I can put it up against a wall, plug in a composite video, and whenever I move the camera, it responds instantly on the screen. However, this worked okay for inspection as long as I move it and I just leave it there and you can see it. You will see how I did the back side of the board, and then I did the top side. And one of my viewers said, well, why didn't you take this board right out and show the top side, which I am going to be doing on this video. I've already did the Microscope video. Here it is right here. Fair warning, it's a 640 by 480 video. That's what this thing does. So you're going to have a border here and a border here. You're not going to have a wide screen like this Kodak ZE-1 shows. Okay? So just want you to know that. But that's just the nature of the game. The price was cost me quite a bit. I think I got this for Christmas. I think this was I think this was the year before last. I think my wife bought this for me for Christmas. So, I mean, it's not cheap. It was like $60. That's a lot of money. So, you know, you want one that's widescreen, you're going to pay a lot more for it. But anyways, it does the job, and you'll be seeing that. But I know I'm long-winded. I can't help it. I just try to explain things. It's easier for me to explain something than to type. It takes me a very long time to type, and I don't like long postings. You know, keep them sweet and short, please, because I'm not going to spend a lot of time reading a long post that's the length of the whole page, let's say. I'm going to skim through it, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. So, no offense, please. It's just me. I just, you know. So, anyways, here's the video right here. Okay, this is what you're going to be seeing. So, I'm sorry, you're going to be seeing this. There's nothing I can do. But as you can see, it stops, but I'm moving it, but it stops. There's a wicked delay there. But it is usable, and I was adjusting the light. It has a light on it here, control, and sometimes you get a reflection. So if you see a variation in light, it's because I've been adjusting the light on this. There's a focus right here. I can move this whole barrel up and down, and I can adjust the light right here. So look back on my older videos, you will see this. I did a video on it. So, anyways, I'm going to give you these clips here on this video. I don't want to spend a lot of time. And to let you know that I do have an inspection camera. It's just that I cannot use this camera for servicing, because there's too much of a delay there. I need an instant response. When I go in here, and let's say I'm working on this, or anything for that matter, and I'm working, I want to see the movement instantly on the screen. I don't want a delay. A delay screws me up big time, and I cannot get used to working like that.